Welcome to our guide on installing water filters at home. Ensuring clean and safe drinking water is essential for your family's health. In this video, we'll walk you through the proper steps to install water filters for improved water quality right from your kitchen. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary materials handy. This typically includes the water filter unit, filter cartridges, wrenches, Teflon tape, and any installation instructions provided by the manufacturer. Step 2. Choose a location. Select a suitable location under your sink to install the water filter system. Ensure there is enough space for the filter unit and easy access for maintenance. Step 3. Turn off the water supply. Locate the main water supply valve under your sink and turn it off to prevent any water from flowing while you work on the installation. Step 4. Install the filter unit. Using wrenches, disconnect the cold water supply line from the shut-off valve. Attach the inlet side of the filter unit to the shut-off valve using a compression fitting or adapter. Step 5. Prepare the filter cartridges. Before inserting the filter cartridges, wrap Teflon tape around the threads to create a tight seal and prevent leaks. Step 6. Insert filter cartridges. Install the filter cartridges into the filter unit according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure they are securely in place. Step 7. Connect the outlet line. Attach the outlet side of the filter unit to the cold water supply line using another compression fitting or adapter. Double-check all connections for tightness. Step 8. Turn on the water supply. Once all connections are secure, turn the main water supply valve back on. Check for any leaks and tighten connections if necessary. Step 9. Flush the system. Run cold water through the filter system for a few minutes to flush out any air or loose particles. This helps ensure optimal performance. Step 10. Enjoy clean water. Congratulations! Your water filter system is now installed and ready to provide you with clean, great-tasting water for drinking and cooking. Thank you for watching our guide on installing water filters at home. We hope this video has been helpful in ensuring the health and well-being of you and your loved ones. Cheers to cleaner water!